Canker sores are oral conditions that are both painful and unsightly. Women are more likely to get them than men. It is important to note that these ulcers that form in and around the mouth are not contagious and are not related to cold sores, which they are often confused with. Some of the contributing factors to canker sores are injuries to the mouth, stress, smoking, hormonal changes, anemia, allergies, and viral infections. These sores can cause burning, fevers, pain, and swollen lymph nodes. Today's video will discuss natural ways to treat canker sores. 1. Coriander. Coriander contains anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. As such, it is a perfect tool for handling canker sores. There are several different ways that coriander can be used. Coriander leaves can be boiled in a glass of water and then strained. Once cooled, gargle with the solution 3 or 4 times each day. Coriander seeds can also be used by simply adding 1 teaspoon of seeds to 1 cup of boiling water. Allow the solution to sit and steep for several minutes and then strain. Use the solution to gargle with 3 to 4 times each day. The juice from coriander leaves can also be consumed. Take the juice from the leaves, hold it in the mouth to allow the liquid to sit on the sore, and then drink. 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera can help to speed up the healing process while fighting germs and viruses. Simply open an aloe vera leaf and take out the gel. Then place the gel directly onto the canker sore. Aloe vera juice can also be used to gargle with several times each day. Aloe vera gel can also be consumed 2 tablespoons 2 to 3 times each day. 3. Salt. Salt can help to remove fluid and infection from the sore, thus quickening the healing process. This can be done by mixing 1 teaspoon of salt into 1 cup of lukewarm water. Then, by using this solution to rinse the mouth out for at least 30 seconds. Once rinsed, salt can be placed directly into the canker sore. This will not be pleasant and may be painful, but it will help to clean out the sore. Repeat this 4 to 5 times each day. 4. Honey. Honey can also be placed in and around the sore to clean out germs and speed up the healing. This may sting initially, however the pain will soon subside. Repeat this several times each day. A paste can also be made of 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. The paste should then be added directly to the sore. Leave on for a few minutes and then rinse off. Repeat this method twice each day. 5. Sage. Sage is a spice that is effective in calming canker sores and relieving any pain and inflammation. Add 3 teaspoons of sage to 2 cups of boiling water. Allow the leaves to sit and steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the solution cools, use it to rinse your mouth several times each day. Alternatively, sage leaves can also be directly placed onto the canker sore and left there several times each day. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda has the ability to clean out the sores and relieve pain and inflammation. Simply add a little water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a paste that is to be placed directly onto the canker sore. Let the paste sit on the sore for a few minutes and then rinse well. Repeat this 3 to 4 times each day until the sore has disappeared. 2 teaspoons of baking soda can also be added to a glass of water and used to rinse out the mouth 4 to 5 times each day. 7. Cayenne pepper. The spiciness in cayenne pepper comes from the chemical capsaicin, which numbs the nerves in the body. This is extremely helpful in relieving pain and discomfort. Simply take a small amount of cayenne pepper and mix with a little water. This will create a paste to place directly on the sore. After the initial discomfort, pain and inflammation will soon dissipate. Repeat this twice each day. There are even candies which have cayenne pepper in them that can provide relief. 8. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic properties that help to clear the skin of canker sores and to prevent them from appearing. Simply add 10 drops of tea tree oil to a glass of water. Then use this solution to rinse out the mouth 3 to 4 times daily. Also, 2 drops of tea tree oil can be diluted with 1/2 teaspoon of water and then added directly onto the sore 2 to 3 times each day. Do you or someone you know suffer from canker sores? Have you heard of these natural remedies? If you have you found relief from them? Let us know in our comment section.